In this training session, we continue to talk about how to process a recurring charge, and now we need to look at the problem information. Now we'll see here all your items that come up in black means that the item will be processed, and then there's no concern. Everything that comes up in green means that it requires a price. So if we want to make sure that we've got prices for all the items in green, then we click on the set price option. What we do here is we specify the price. Okay, so I can say instead of 175 Rand, I can say it must be 180. Then I can say apply to all, and that change will then be made. And then we can click on accept. Now immediately you'll see that those items have actually disappeared off your list. Then we can look at the option lookup selling price. Now this will mean that our file, our CSV file that we import, it must look at it, and it tells me here that it's not calculated yet. Also, the other option is ask for a selling price when it processes. That option we must also make sure that we fill it in. Then you've got the report option here, that if you want to print this out, your report will then display all your items grouped together. In other words, over here it says that the stock items are on hold, sold into a negative, stock under cost. Okay, so it will give you the error messages for all of your items. In other words, if we are not concerned with what is wrong over here, you have to go and override these options. So if I say, it says it's not going to process this because this item is on hold, then I can specify over here that it must be allowed. In other words, you've got to work through your list to make sure you solve all these problems. And that concludes looking at the problem information.